This is the first of two videos I'll be making as a review of the Nuwave Pick Gold Pro Precision Induction Cooktop Model 30212WT. And I received this unit. It is the first induction cooktop I'll ever be using. It comes complete with a nice quick start guide and the owner's manual and a fairly thick recipe book. Let's see if I can get some better pictures of it. And it's got really nice photos of some of the things that obviously they are showing you that you can prepare using this device. It uses magnetism, so you have to have an induction ready piece of cookware to use it. Minimum 3-inch size, centered, maximum 12-inch size. I'm going to remove the sticker and test out some of the functionality, and we're going to use a Caraway frying pan, which is induction ready, and I'm going to see how long it takes to boil exactly 2 cups of cold water using the highest setting on the device. So we'll pick up at that point with the next video.